Hey guys, Vic from Airvol here, your trusted Canadian CPAP supplier. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how this wristwatch, finger sensor, and chest sensor can accurately screen for obstructive sleep apnea in the comfort of your own home. We're going to go over the WatchPAT ONE test. So first off, let's show you what you get in the box when you order it from Airvol. Okay, so when you receive your WatchPAT test, it's going to come in a nice box like this. We do provide a AAA battery as well as an adhesive for your chest sensor. So we're going to flip open the box. When you open the box, there is going to be an instruction pamphlet on how to use the test, and we'll provide our own instructions as well. And then in the box, you have your home sleep test device, the WatchPAT ONE. There's a wristwatch and a finger sensor, and the battery simply goes in the back side of the wristwatch. You'll see the slot there for the AAA battery, and you're simply going to insert it there. When you're ready to do your test, you would just wear your wristwatch. You would also connect your finger sensor to one of your fingers, and the chest sensor can be fed through your shirt, through either your arm sleeve or under your shirt, and you would remove the adhesive and stick it just underneath your sternal notch on your chest. When you're ready to start the test, all you would do is grab your phone and scan the QR code that can be found on the side of the box. You can either get it from the Apple Store or the Google Store, depending if you're using iPhone or Android. And then you can start the WatchPAT app, which is going to record your test results. So now I'm going to show you what you can expect on the WatchPAT ONE app. Okay, so now I've installed the WatchPAT app on my phone. And when you open the app, it's going to open up a Let's Get Started page where it will instruct you on how to start your test. Okay, so we're going to hit Begin Setup. The first step is to insert the battery in your WatchPAT itself. So that would just be on the back side of the watch. You're just going to flip open that cover, and you'll be able to insert your AAA battery in there. Okay. Now that the battery is in, we're going to hit Next. And it's essentially going to try to pair with your watch. You want to hit Allow so that you receive all Bluetooth connections, and the app is going to suggest you connect your phone to a power source. This is so that it doesn't run out of power during your test. So we're going to connect a power cord to it right now. It's going to give you some advice on how to prepare your setup. You want to make sure your phone stays plugged in overnight and is not on flight mode, and to turn off any other unnecessary electronics in the room, as this can cause interference, especially Bluetooth devices. You want to shut off all Bluetooth devices in the vicinity except the phone that's going to be running your WatchPAT app. And the data will be recorded for 6 consecutive hours. Next, it's going to ask you to enter your PIN. The physician PIN code would have been provided to you by us, and it would come in your package on a card. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my PIN here. And now it's going to ask you to wear your wristwatch on your non-dominant wrist. So it's time to wear the watch. So I got the wristwatch on my non-dominant hand. We're going to go to the next step. It's going to advise to put your chest sensor onto your body. So to attach your chest sensor, you're going to feed it through the sleeve of your arm or your shirt. If you have some chest hair, you can trim that so it's a little bit easier to attach the chest sensor. The chest sensor does have an adhesive on it, so you can remove that sticker and it'll stick on. And we do provide an additional adhesive as well. Once that's attached, your last step is to attach your finger probe. So for the finger probe, you're going to see a pull on a sticker. So that's you want to remove that. And now you're going to insert, ideally, your index finger, but you can pick any finger that's comfortable for you. And you're going to firmly insert it all the way into the finger probe, just like so. Now that everything is connected, you're ready to start recording the test and go to sleep. It's going to give you a final disclaimer, whether you want to start your test, and then you're going to hit OK. And now it's going to start the WatchPAT test device recording. Now it's going to give you a disclaimer not to shut down the app for the duration of the night. You want to wait till the full night is complete, and in the morning time, your WatchPAT app will give you a disclaimer message when the test is successfully completed. So right now, you're going to see the goodnight message. It's time to go to sleep. It will go over your elapsed time and give you that message to not close the application. And then when you wake up the next morning, all you would do is you would hit the end recording button, and then it would give you a disclaimer message that your test was completely successful. Your test results would then be uploaded to the physician for interpretation and would then be emailed to you after the interpretation, and you would have a chance to book an appointment with one of our staff to go over your results as well as the physician recommendation for your results. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and you can hit the like and subscribe button.